If you are traveling soon, this video is for you. These are my go-to Amazon travel essentials that I take everywhere with me. Today we're going to cover everything from packing essentials to what to wear when you're traveling and my favorite go-to items. As always, everything will be linked in the description box below, as well as there will be a QR code if you're watching on your TV. You can just scan that with your phone. It'll take you right to shop. Also, I'll place the links in the pinned comment. Let's go ahead and get into my travel essential number one. I think this is my favorite. It may not look like a lot, but this travel toiletry bag has been a game changer for my travel organization and honestly a lifesaver when we get to the hotel to just keep everything in place and not a hot mess in the hotel room. So it's got this nice pocket in the front, and then wait till you see the magic when you open it. This thing is chock full. It fits full-size toiletries. Wait till you see how packed I have it. I haven't even really unpacked it. We just got back from a trip. Was that yesterday? So look at this. You can hang this on a knob or a towel holder in your bathroom when you get to your destination, and everything is nice and organized. You don't have to spread it all out on the counter. I love this little hook. It has so many compartments. Look how much that held. I have full-size products, all of my hair stuff in here. I've got my jewelry. This thing holds a ton. I didn't think it would zip with all these full-size products, but it totally does. I'm telling you, this was probably my number one purchase, and that's what made it number one on my travel essentials list. As you can see, look at all these compartments, and then I'm gonna scoot back. You just fold it back up, you tuck that little hook back in, and you zip it right up. Look at that! This literally goes everywhere with me. It is such a lifesaver, and my husband really appreciates that I don't take up the whole bathroom counter at our hotel because everything is nice and neat in here, and it makes getting ready so much easier when everything is in its place and not scattered amok in my suitcase. This one comes in a few different fun colors. This is like a mauve-y pink tan. Not my favorite color, but boy is this a workhorse, and it's so affordable. I've had this for a year. It's went on so many trips and it has lasted. It is so good. So number one is this travel toiletry bag. Okay, number two, you always need a good travel outfit, your go-to comfy outfit that you can go anywhere in, whether it's a long flight or a long car ride. And this used to be my travel go-to. It's still one of my go-to outfits. I wear this like once a week. Don't judge me. It's a Spanx look-alike jumpsuit, super affordable, but the only problem is I wore this on our flight to the Bahamas, to and from. I added a little jean jacket to it. It was perfect, except for one thing, the bathroom situation. So I have found a solution. The same brand makes a two-piece set, and I think it's even better. So it comes with this beautiful wide leg pant with this short sleeve top. You could even mix and match these once you get to your destination. Add a little tank with the pant and wear that to lunch. You could wear the top with some jeans or cute white shorts. The possibilities are endless, and it is so good for travel. The fabric is luxe feeling. Again, it's a look for less. I love it with a jean jacket and some sneakers or little sandals. I just love this two-piece travel set. It's so chic looking. It doesn't look like a sweatsuit. Those wide leg pants just look like a dream. I love this sleeveless romper as well, but for bathroom breaks and flights, so you don't have to go through the whole bring it all down situation, definitely go for this two-piece set from Amazon. It is such a steal, and it is such a look for less. Okay, next up, my travel essential number three that I literally, again, don't go anywhere without is this travel steamer. This thing is such a workhorse. I actually use it when I'm filming every day. I just steam my clothes for the fashion videos, but I use this all the time, pretty much every day. And what I like about it is you can use it upright like a traditional steamer, or how I like to steam things is I would just lay the piece of clothing on the bed at the hotel and use it almost like an iron. You can use it this way. That is my favorite way to use it. I haven't used an iron in a few years since I've gotten this thing. It steams a lot of items with this capacity. Again, I use it every day, and I have been for like a year or two. This thing is amazing. And then it just folds up. So you'll want to take the water out before you travel, obviously, and then you just fold it up. because when you get to your destination, you don't want to use that crummy iron that the hotel has. You never know what people ironed with it. My husband ruined a shirt one time because someone had gotten the iron yucky. The bag's a little dirty because this thing goes literally everywhere with us. So compact and easy to take with you. This has been one of my best investments on Amazon. It goes with us on all of our trips, and I love how you can steam traditionally or you can steam up and down. This is my favorite steamer, hands down. So, travel essential number 4. We went on our first international flight with our kids last May, and let me tell you, I was a little stressed and a little worried because I didn't want to lose any of their documents. It's a big deal to go international with your kids for the first time. So this travel organizer was such a lifesaver. I guarded it with my life. We had all of our passports in here. You could fit credit cards, you could fit cash, you could even fit your boarding passes, like it has a zipper pocket here. You could fit your tickets and your boarding passes here as well. I just adored this. I could have everyone organized with their passports. This was such a lifesaver. It kept me a little more calm and a little less anxious to know all of our tickets were safe, all of our special documents. We put any money or anything we needed in here. This was perfect, and then you could just lock this away in the safe once you get to your hotel room, and you can feel secure that everything is nice and organized, that something's not going to fall out and get lost. It's all secure. I love this even little handle too, so it just zips right up, and you could just keep a hold of it almost like a clutch. Such a good purchase. This one for sure, if you're doing international travel, I definitely recommend. It does even have RFID protection, I think, in this one. It's like a peachy color, not quite pink. It comes in a few different colors as well. Definitely recommend if you are going international or you're traveling with kids and you need to stay organized. For sure, this is essential. Next up, number 5 is new to me, but I was trying to pare down some of my makeup on our last trip, and then I found this. I was looking at the popular Dibs Beauty, and I really didn't want to pay close to $40 for the blush bronzer duo stick, so I came across this Physicians Formula Butter Glow and Go. It's a bronzer and a blush stick, and so you could just throw this in your makeup bag. They even say you could wear it as bronzer, blush, eyes, and lips, which you totally could. So if you are trying to pare down your makeup bag, this one is in the color Beachy Pink, so I have it on right now. I'm going to show you a quick video of me putting it on. I am so obsessed with this. I used this while we were at Disney. It didn't sweat off. It looked really good all day long in the sweat. So it's just a creamy blush. It does not fade. It's really nice. The Beachy Pink is a little light on me, so I think if I get much tanner, I might have to go a little darker. But I think it's the perfect shade for this point in my tan situation. So I have Beachy Pink. There's a few different shades, but I think this is a great option. Even if you're not traveling anywhere and you're a mom on the go and you just want to throw this on real quick, you can just even use your fingers. I'll give you a little lip color, put the bronzer on the shadow part of your eye, and go. So whether you're traveling or if you're a mom on the go, this is a great new purchase, and it was only like less than $15. So definitely a look for less than the expensive Dibs makeup. My number 6 travel essential is this carry-on bag. This has been such a lifesaver for me. I took it on our plane ride last year. It fits under your seat and fit in the compartment when you have to check it. There are so many good features about this. One of the things I like is the bottom section. This could be a great overnight bag. Say you could pack light and you want to fit everything in here. You could fit your shoes at the bottom. It's got this nice like little breathable place so you don't have stinky shoes. You could probably fit a few pair down here. It is so spacious. Look at that area. And then you have all of these compartments at the top. It even came with a little bag for your toiletries or other essentials. You'd have to put your toiletries if you're doing a carry-on in a clear bag, which we'll get to in a second. But this one is great if you want to organize your cords, or say you want to put your makeup in something that's not liquid. That one is for sure great for that. And it has so much room inside. This is my go-to overnight bag. It's got pockets inside. It even has a little charger port If you're feeling fancy, this is such a good travel bag. It's even got the strap to go over your suitcase, so that is so key. And then it's got another pocket back here and then 2 side pockets. You could shove this thing full. It's got this comfy shoulder strap. It's even got this. Again, I've had this over a year and it has gone on so many overnight trips. It's been on planes. It's been everywhere with us. And it is still in fantastic condition. It comes in a few different colors. Of course I chose pink. They have blacks. They have a cream. I don't know if I would choose cream because it would get really dirty, especially if you're sticking it under your seat on the plane. But this pink has been amazing. I love that you can just throw it over your shoulder. This is for sure the best overnight bag or carry-on bag. For sure, you could fit so much in here. Sometimes I just use it for personal items. I'll put my iPad, my makeup, maybe 1 or 2 outfits just in case our luggage got lost. I'd also put some of my toiletries in here. So let me show you the toiletry bag that I got. So if you're traveling on a plane in the US, you'll need a TSA-approved clear bag. So these were so cute. Of course they're pink, but this was just the bag I took in my Disney backpack the other day, so I haven't even unpacked it yet. I've got sunscreen, gum. Of course, if you're traveling on a plane, you'd have to use your 3 ounces and all that jazz. But for purposes, this literally just came out of my bag. I like packing it for Disney because when security is going through your bag, they could just see everything in there and everything is nice and neat. I can describe if I need sanitizer, I've got some chapstick, all kinds of good stuff in here, some gum, a little hairbrush. This is so compact. It also comes with a bigger bag that you can use for your makeup. I use it for my makeup a lot, but this one is the medium travel bag that comes with it. And this one is TSA approved, so you can put all of your toiletries in here. So this one for sure, if you're flying, again, this one is so good. And last but certainly not least, if you are traveling to a magical place, aka Disney, especially Disney World here in Florida. If you didn't know, I am from Florida. We go to Disney a few days of the month since we live so close, and the one thing we never go to Disney without are our ponchos. Even if it says it's not going to rain, there's always a chance for rain in Florida, and sometimes there are torrential downpours, especially in the summer. So don't get fooled. Those little plastic trash bag ponchos they sell at the Dollar Tree or at the parks are not going to do you any good. In the Florida afternoon thunder showers, you are going to want an amazing poncho, and let me tell you, we wear these all the time and they are so good. They have so many cute little colors. I bought my daughter the little polka dot one and my son the red one. My husband and I just have the generic black ones, but let me tell you, they work so well. And it's even fun to snap a cute picture when you're at Disney. You'll be dry in your poncho, at least for the most part. Your feet, not so much. Make sure you bring some extra socks. But even if you're not going to Disney, if you're traveling somewhere, if you're going to a theme park, or you want just a poncho to take in your bag that's fold up, so compact and easy to take with you. This is our favorite brand. We've tried a few different ones. These go with us every time we go to Disney. No matter the forecast, they always go with us. So I hope you enjoyed this Amazon Travel Essentials. These are my go-tos. I literally use these every time we travel. Are there any new things that you found that might be helpful for your upcoming trip? Let me know where you're going. I'd love to hear in the comments below. And you can tell me your tried and true travel essentials. I'd love to hear that as well. Again, everything will be linked in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. And also this QR code, if you're watching on your TV, you can just scan this with your phone. It'll take you right to shop. Make sure you hit that little like button, that helps me so much. And hit the subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We'd love to have you here. Not only do some fun lifestyle content, but also lots of affordable fashion and beauty. So let's be friends. You can also follow me on Instagram at ashley.acoff. And thank you so much for being here today. Until next time, bye for now.